I am Shada Sharav and welcome to Sudha Learning Hub. Today's session we are going to learn Eclipse IDE, background of the Eclipse project. Now, first I'm going to discuss about the Eclipse IDE other projects and the short history. While the Eclipse IDE for a Java development is widely known, the Eclipse open source community is much bigger. Currently, it consisting of a more than 150 project covering a different aspects of a software development. For example, Eclipse project provides a tooling for a JavaScript development and runtime components, like the popular Jetty web server. The root of the Eclipse go back to 2001. The initial code base was provided by IBM. The November 2011, a consortium was formed to support the development of Eclipse as open source software. This consortium was controlled by IBM. In 2004, it became the Eclipse Foundation, which is a vendor natural foundation where no single company has control of the direction. The Eclipse name at this time was viewed by many of the declarations were against Sun Microsystems. The company is responsible for developing the Java program languages. IBM stated that the name was targeted at Eclipse Microsoft. With this purchase of Sun Microsystem by Oracle, this conflicts finally went away. Oracle is currently among the five largest contributor companies of the Eclipse project. Next, I am going to discuss about Eclipse releases. The Eclipse open source project has simultaneous releases every year. Eclipse projects can be choose to join this release but must fulfill the requirements described in the release requirement. If you see here, release requirement, if you see here, this is the release requirement. Now, we need to full-fledged all the release requirements here. This is the release requirements. This simultaneous releases including a new version of an Eclipse IDE distributions. Before 2012, Eclipse was released in the version 3.x. For example, Eclipse 3.6, Eclipse 3.7. These releases and the corresponding APIs are referred to as an Eclipse 3.x. If you see this table, these are the releases in the different releases years and the name of the Eclipse IDEs. Next, I'm going to discuss about Eclipse Foundation. The Eclipse projects are governed by the Eclipse Foundation. The Eclipse Foundation is a non-profit member-supported corporation that hosts the Eclipse open source projects. It helps to cultivate both its open source community and its ecosystems of complementary products and services. The Eclipse Foundation does not work and the Eclipse code base, that is, it does not have employee developers working on the Eclipse. The mission of the Eclipse Foundation is enable the development by providing the infrastructures and the structured processes. Eclipse projects follows a very well defined development process. To learn more about this process, Eclipse development process description. If you see this link, you can know more about the Eclipse Foundation. There is also a Eclipse Foundation Europe based in Germany. In 2016, the Eclipse Foundations had approximately 30 employees. See this, these are the all the employees available in the Eclipse Foundation, approximately 30 employees. These are the all the steps available in the Eclipse Foundation. Next, I'm going to discuss about the Eclipse public license. The Eclipse public license is an open source software license. The EPL is designed to be a business friendly. EPL licensed programs can be used, modified, copied, and distributed free of charges. The consumer of EPL licensed software can be choose to use this software is closed source programs. Only modifications in the original EPL code must be released as a EPL code. This can be example be done by filling the bug report at the public Eclipse bug tracker and by uploading a JIT changes. The Eclipse Foundation validates that source code contributed to Eclipse projects is free of intellectual property issues. This process is known as IP cleansing. Contributions which more than 1,000 lines of the code requires the creation of contribution questionnaire and the review of the approval by the IP team. The permissive EPL and the IP cleansing effort of the Eclipse Foundation makes a reusing the source code of the Eclipse project attractive of the companies. This is the recording about Eclipse public license and the background of the Eclipse.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Sada Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.